Hi, my name's David Ginter, and I teach computer systems technology at CTE. Our class is about much more than just computers. We're about information technology support across the spectrum. We talk about computers, operating systems, cybersecurity, network, and network administration. Our first year program focuses on entry-level IT support covering computers, operating systems, tablets, phones, networking, and peripherals such as printers and scanners. Students prepare for the IT fundamentals and A+ certifications, which provide entry paths into good high-paying jobs right out of high school. Our second year program focuses on advanced networking and cybersecurity, which is the fastest growing sector in our industry. Students learn about the intricacies of systems networking and administration. Our students also focus on cybersecurity, learning about the legal and ethical aspects of that industry. We learn about the threats and vulnerabilities in systems and how threat actors can leverage those vulnerabilities into attacks on people, companies, and industries. Our national healthcare system and Vermont's largest hospital are under cyber attack at this moment. Our students learn techniques to help fight against these types of attacks perpetrated by nation states against our infrastructure. Students in the second year program prepare for the Network Plus and Security Plus certifications. Information technology is a vibrant, growing industry with high-paying opportunities for curious, hardworking individuals who pay attention to detail and can communicate effectively with people. CST alumni are currently working at many industry leaders, and many of our students attend prestigious colleges as well as colleges right here in Vermont such as VTC, CCV, and Champlain College.
Hi, my name is Sarah Zelli and I'm a CST alum. CST was a place that fostered my interest in computers and helped me thrive. Without CST, I wouldn't have had the confidence, experience, or skill to get the job I have now.
So while our industry is currently male-dominated, I want to make a special appeal to women and non-binary students. As an adjunct professor at Champlain College, I see students graduating into a $100,000 a year job or more.
Hi, my name is Nick Jewett. I chose to go to CST because I always had the desire to learn more about technology and computer science, and I wanted to explore these interests in a fun, hands-on environment surrounded by like-minded people. The thing that I enjoyed most about CST was that individual learning was always encouraged. While I still had to get my assignments in on time, I was always supported in taking on side projects. CST not only allowed me to learn the technical skills of PC troubleshooting, repair, and networking, but also gave me the opportunity to practice these skills in the real world during my internship at a local IT services company. This ultimately led me into a good-paying job right out of high school.
Computer systems technology provides skills not just for working in an industry, but prepares people for life. Thank you for considering computer systems technology, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.